in town center, and the snow is just intensely coming down, and we've come across some people who are out here riding bikes, things you never thought you would have seen. You see these two guys over here riding their bikes, but I do want to introduce you to Frank. Who's been riding his bike all through the area. Frank, what is it about this weather that makes you want to get on a bike and ride around?
You couldn't ask for better weather than this. This is a beautiful day. Might as well go for a bicycle ride.
All right, talk to me about your bicycle though, because you do have some snow upgrades.
Yeah, what you want is this: the studded tires.
Okay.
That's what you want, and a bell for safety, of course. Yeah.
What is it like? Is it slippery riding around, or is this pretty good traction for you?
When it's compacted down, it's pretty safe, and it's not too bad. But the fluffy snow is, you can do it. But
Yeah. And I know you have the helmet on. You've got all the bundles on. Safety
Yes,
first.
safety.
How many layers do you have on at this point?
Like 3 or 4.
Are you cold?
No, it's nice.
Okay. What's more difficult for you? Obviously the ice, I would imagine, right? Is the snow easier or the ice?
Yeah, well, with the winter tires on the bike, you can get through a little bit of ice. It's not too bad.
All right. Any advice to people who are at home and they see you out on a bike? What would your advice be to them if they're thinking about getting on their bike and coming out here?
Do it. It's such a nice day. It's beautiful weather. Perfect for a bike ride.
Thank you, Frank. Be safe. And just to be clear, you're not headed to work. You're not headed anywhere. You're out here for fun.
Yes, for fun.
Thank you. Thank you, Frank. So we are out here at Ruston Town Center. We're going to be heading around Fairfax County, checking in with people in the neighborhood, but let's send it back to you in the studio for now.